Okay, in this module, you have a quiz or an assignment, really, in which you're going to look up data related to crime rates, maybe do a couple of calculations, real simple things. But really, it's about looking up data, finding data in a variety of different places. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to kind of walk you through where we're going to find them just so there's no questions and you can easily get through this process. So in your assignment, there is a list of questions. These are not hidden. These are the questions that are going to be asked on the following quiz. So the next item in your module is a quiz, and it's just these questions, and you're going to fill in the answers after researching these answers and finding them. So I've provided a link here. Show you a couple of things. Number one, if you come back each time, you can click on this link and it will take you to an appropriate site that says a redirect notice. So I just click the link. It's the FBI's website. Here's publications. It has the Crime Data Explorer that we'll look at, and it has these kind of archived annual publications from 95 to 2019. Also has an incident-based reporting system, law enforcement officers killed and assaulted by year, hate crime statistics, use of force, cargo theft. All of this kind of data is in here. So in this list of questions that you have, you might have a variety of different places that you're going to look for. Obviously, you're going to pay attention to the year. If it asks a question about 2014, I could click on this. Is it asking about violent crime, property crime, law enforcement officers killed in action, hate crimes? There might be a variety of different things. So I'll show you, if I click on property crime, it pulls up all of these data tables. If I hold my cursor over one, crime rates, percent change, crime rates by community, population distribution, by region, by state, by metropolitan statistical area. So you're going to just search through these areas. I'll go back, I'll close. Let me show you the Crime Data Explorer. So when I click on this, it's going to bring me to an interactive chart. Now if I scroll down, I can look at crime data, law enforcement data. So I can click on a state, or I can just click go. If I click go, what's going to allow me to do is pull up data for here's the United States. I can select the year. I can click on this and select a particular year. It shows me the amount of law enforcement agencies participating out of the total, and I can show a trend. I can manipulate this all the way back to 1985. I can show what 2020 should be the most current, at least available. I can change it from all violent crime to a particular type of crime, to a category of property crime, to a particular property crime, and I can see how they change. Now I can also look, if I highlight over one of these bullet points on the chart, I can see in 2016 that the property crime rate or larceny theft related offenses in 2016 had a rate of 1,745.4 per 100,000 people. So you might be asked a question related to that, and you can navigate through here. If you accidentally close your window and you don't want to navigate back through your Hill College class to find that link, you can just type in Crime Data Explorer into Google. It comes up as the first option. You click on this. Again, so I go data, I can click on the state of Texas. So I'm going to click go on the crime data. And this, again, it doesn't show me all those other reports right off the bat, but I can scroll down to the bottom, and here are additional resources. Here is the FBI's Uniform Crime Reporting Publications, and that takes me back to this original page where it has by year. I can look up data all the way back to 1995 on more particular. So if you look at, for example, some of these questions, in 2020, the FBI estimated crime statistics for Texas based on data received from how many agencies. So on that Crime Explorer data, you click on Texas, it shows you how many agencies reported out of the total, you can answer that question. So again, the process for this, print off your list of questions, use the Crime Data Explorer and the historical UCR publications to find the answers, write the answers down for all 15 of your questions, and then come back into the module, start the quiz, and then you're just answering the questions based on the data you fill. If you go in and try to start the quiz, it's not intuitive data. This is just information that you had to look up. So you're going to do very poorly if you just go take the quiz and try to guess your way through it. This is designed for you to take the quiz after you've looked up all the answers. Question 1 on the quiz is identical to this. Everything is identical. It's not a different set of questions. There's nothing tricky about it. So collect the data and then take your quiz. As always, reach out to me if you have any questions, and good luck.